Choose the right fastener for baseboard trim by matching material, profile, and holding needs rather than defaulting to whatever is handy. For medium density fiberboard or fragile decorative profiles, we prefer brad nails because their small diameter reduces splitting and they leave minimal heads that are easy to conceal with wood filler. Use a brad nailer with an 18 gauge or 20 gauge brad for most MDF baseboards and keep nail spacing at about 12 inches apart and closer at joints and ends. When working near edges, dial down air pressure or use a nailer depth adjustment to avoid blow-through. For solid wood baseboards, choose finishing nails because their larger shank and thicker head give superior withdrawal resistance, and using a 2-inch finishing nail is common for typical profiles. To minimize visible heads, set them slightly below the surface with a nail set and fill with matching putty. Staples provide excellent immediate clamping force for thin trim or when you want a hidden mechanical hold behind the finish. Use a narrow crown staple and shoot at a slight angle to increase withdrawal resistance. Then glue the contact surface to make that hold permanent. Always counteract movement by using construction adhesive on the back of the trim before fastening, and drive fasteners into studs when possible, locating studs with a stud finder or by tapping to hear a solid sound, and pre-drill pilot holes for very dense hardwoods to prevent splitting. When painting or staining, choose filler that accepts finish well and sand smooth once set so repairs disappear under paint. People often use too large a fastener and split the trim, so when that happens, pull the broken nail, plane and fill the split, and switch to a smaller gauge fastener or pre-drill. Another common issue is insufficient holding power in hollow walls, which leads to loose baseboards. Solve that by using a combination of construction adhesive, longer finishing nails into studs at regular intervals, and wall anchors where studs are not available. A third frequent mistake is visible fastener heads left too proud. Correct this by driving the nail below the surface with a nail set, using colored filler that matches the trim, and lightly sanding before finish so the repair blends in. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who post projects and respond to requests related to trim and finishing work, and our community discussions let users share real-world tips and photos about fastener choices and techniques. We also help contractors find work by connecting them with homeowners looking for specific skills, and our discussion forum supports ongoing peer advice and problem solving.